How to take corn silk. Corn silk can be consumed in various forms, including tea, tincture, or as a food additive. Corn silk. Tea. To prepare corn silk tea, boil fresh or dried corn silk in water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and drink. It is generally recommended to drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day, but avoid consuming it before bedtime. 2. Corn silk tincture. For a tincture, soak fresh corn silk in alcohol or glycerin for several weeks. Afterward, dilute the mixture with water and use it in small quantities. 3. Corn silk compress. A compress can be made from fresh or dried corn silk to apply topically and help soothe inflammation. 4. Food. Corn silk can be added to food to potentially enhance its nutritional value without significantly altering its taste. 5. Supplement. Corn silk is also available as a supplement in forms such as capsules, powders, or liquid extracts.